Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about TimeClick, which is very cool time tracking software if you can divide it from the name. We are going to talk about pros and cons. I'll tell you more about TimeClick. We'll check up the pricings, and also we can compare it with competitors like Monday, Clockify, Harvest, or Time Doctor. So TimeClick has simplified time tracking, time off, and payroll for thousands of businesses in hundreds of industries, all at an affordable one-time cost. From employee time tracking to timesheets, overtime to PTO, job tracking to employee messaging, TimeClick has all the features you need in one solution. Manage your teams and projects with departments and job codes. Take off the administrative weight and delegate restricted responsibility to the team leaders. They are made mainly for small, medium, and large businesses. That I would say you can use it as an individual or freelancer, but for the businesses, they got the widest use. They're located in US and you can run it in your web browser as I'm doing right now, all in your mobile phone. If you have Android or iOS, both of them work great. So let's check up the pricing. It's one-time purchase, so you don't have to resubscribe every month or commit to the 1 year, for example, 1 year subscription plan, which gives you discount. In this case, you are getting discounts straight away, and you don't have to ever worry about forgetting to pay the next month or canceling the subscription or something like that. So the options are the Prime, which is the first one, 249 in the sale right now. One computer, unlimited employees, database security. Premium, 5 devices, unlimited employees, database, and also mobile clock in and clock out. With Plus, we are going to pay like almost $700, up to 10 devices, unlimited employees, and also the rest is the same. But I would say that the feature of mobile or security will be a bit different. Then the Platinum is up to 25 devices, unlimited employees, database security, and same features as before. So what we are going to do now, we are going to go to top right corner and click on free trial. Let's go with and let's see if we can start with some other than US phone, and actually we can. That's really nice. So setup's taken less than 10 minutes. Okay. And they want us to install it into our computer. We can do it, no problem. First, click download. And you see that Mac OS is currently unavailable. And that's a big bummer, I would say. So let's go with installation. And let's start it up. As you can see, I'm downloading it. So at least we will see how big the folder is. Hopefully not too big. But I would say it's just maybe 200 megabytes, 300 megabytes big folder, and then we can proceed with installation. Then run install file, launch TimeClick. Okay, so you have to install it. It's pretty neat. I can imagine that you will need an extra time to set up all the accounts for TimeClick. But yeah, we can wait, okay, downloading is done. We're click on the icon. Yes. And let me just put it on my screen. We go with next. I accept, next. And you are installing the TimeClick. They proclaim that they can be run at the web browser, but for some weird reason, at least one computer has to have this version on installed in the PC. And then you have to like manually add other people or other employees. But yeah, I'll show it to you guys so you don't have to. If this step is the one that will actually turn you off, like you don't really want to install anything into company PCs, I'm glad to show you. So it's installing the database, okay. So what now? Launching TimeClick, nice. Okay, they asked us what database we want to run. Our organization name. I'd love to make it bigger, but I don't know, guys, if you can see it. Okay, breaks are paid. Starting day Monday. Okay, next. Enter new password. Okay, so now I'm finally going with the password. Next. Skip. No need for mobile features. And here we are. This is our TimeClick. And make it white for the whole screen. And then we have admin options here. Enter password for every single one use. I would say you have to do it. Invalid. Okay. I had to go wrong somewhere. And connections, view, feedback. And here they're automatically tracking the hours, days left on admin. Okay, so I better not screw up this one. Hey, I didn't. Okay. So here's the navigation. There are the messages, dashboard report, and many more. As an admin, you have to install it into your PC, or if you are the one responsible for taking care of TimeClick, then we have employees, which we can create straight away. I kind of in a times where everything can be outsourced in the, how can you say it, web browsers, you don't really are used to, you are not really used to install anything into the PCs. But yeah, I mean, okay. Then modify times, accrued time, utilities, report center, and preferences. Okay, that's pretty nice. Dashboard with the messages. I don't know, it looks a little bit old-fashioned, but I kind of like it. It's bringing me this nice, like early 2010 vibes. Easily we can add a new employees. First name is like, what? Let's go with Dana. Last name wrong. Employee ID 1. Password. Okay, and that's simply kind of strong. Okay. Yeah, well, obviously there's gonna be more videos about about TimeClick. So far, I really like how they are precise with everything, so you can't really go wrong with them. And as admin or as a boss, you exactly see in your app where everyone is, if they're clocked in or clocked out. You can create a couple of accounts, then those accounts redistribute between your employees, and you will see exactly where they clocked in or when they clocked out. So you can manually change it, even you can comment it. So you can really micromanage your employees with TimeClick. I really like it. So stay tuned for more videos. If you have any types of questions about TimeClick, please let me know, and I'll try to answer you underneath this video as quickly as possible. Also, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day and see you soon. Goodbye.